Honestly, it's impressive though, how clean it actually came out.
Let's face it, life is messy. No matter how many times you go through and you clean your house, it is going to get trashed again. It is so hard to keep up with it, especially if you have pets, kids, or you just live out in the country and you have so much dust and dirt flying around. How can you manage to stay on top of it without losing your mind?
A robot vacuuming mop has always been at the top of our to-get list, and the DEETBOT X12 gets it done. Now, there are a lot of mopping robots out there, and even just vacuuming robots, but a good robot mopping vacuum needs to be able to navigate, clean, and leave it clean behind itself. Let's take a look at the DEETBOT X12 and see exactly how it operates and if it can actually get our house cleaner than our standard push mop.
Now, I've unboxed a lot of different items over the years, and honestly, I was quite impressed with the amount of very minimal packaging the DEETBOT comes with. It comes with plenty enough to keep it protected for long durations traveling to your house, but not so much to create a massive pile in your trash can. The first thing you're going to want to do is find a suitable location for it, someplace out of the way. For us, I decided to put it in the laundry room, and that seemed like the most logical place. When you get it all opened up, you're going to want to wait to charge it.
Welcome to Ecovacs Robotics. I am your smart assistant. Let us begin your intelligent cleaning experience. Just connect to the app and Wi-Fi. You can control cleaning remotely from your phone, even before getting off work. Plus, DEETBOT will keep getting smarter with regular updates. Let's get connected. I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Use your phone to scan the QR code on DEETBOT to download and install the Ecovacs Home app, then register and log in. There's no map yet. I will begin quick mapping now, and after it is complete, I will automatically clean the whole house.
Because once you put it into the loading dock, it is going to want to take off mapping your house first thing. This thing auto launches itself, so I definitely recommend setting up the docking station, but do not insert the robot until you're ready to get everything situated. So for me, that meant waiting until the next morning. Once you put the robot into the docking station, you're going to follow all of the directions to get it set up. It's pretty straightforward and very easy. And then the robot launches itself and it goes out and it maps your entire house. It will take a map of everything it goes through with its specialized laser beams. And if you do have obstacles like stairs that you want to make sure it avoids, I would recommend blocking that off as it goes through and maps your house. Later on, you're going to go through and put a boundary area up virtually in the map so that it doesn't ever want to go there. All right, well, let's take a look at what the DEETBOT X12 can do and if it can live up to what it claims. When we flip it over, we can see the wheels telescope in and out, which allows it to navigate over carpeting and certain thresholds of doorways. We have the telescoping mop head, which telescopes in and out for their true edge cleaning. And we have the zero tangle anti-tangle technology that allow it to suck up pet hair without becoming tangled. But can the robot do what it says? Let's take a look. One of the features that sets the DEETBOT X12 apart from all of the others on the market is its brand new FocusJet feature. The dual focus jets on the front allow the DEETBOT to go through and target and attack stains and spots on the floor to ensure a perfectly sparkling finish after it's done. Or you can set it to do your entire floor using the spray jets for additional cleaning power. And once the stain is broken down, that's where the Ozmo Roller really makes the difference. Instead of just wiping over the area, it actually scrubs and lifts everything off the floor in one pass. Plus, the roller is constantly being rinsed with clean water while it's cleaning, so it's always working with a fresh surface. It's not dragging dirty water around like traditional mops. It's actually removing the mess as it goes. And that's what really makes it feel more effective, especially on dried spills or kitchen messes. It has a side rotating debris brush that catches particles, dust, and throws them into the vacuum instead of scattering them around. The DEETBOT X12 is even capable of vacuuming carpets. It can climb up and down the sides of them with ease, and it has a special shield that extends over the mop section to ensure that it doesn't drip or drag any sort of dirty water over your carpets. Or conversely, you can set it up to vacuum your carpets first and then go through and mop. The DEETBOT X12 features the Zero Tangle anti-tangle technology, which utilizes their unique blast-boosted large airflow suction technology to blast in any type of hair straight into the vacuum, preventing any issues with tangling. Beyond the cyclone station features a fresh flow power washing mechanism. Once the robot returns to the station, it scrubs the mop head clean and sucks all the dirty water into the dirty water canister on the station itself. Plus, it also goes through and empties both the dirty water canister on the robot and the dirt canister on the robot, ensuring the robot never fills up too much and can stay consistent with its cleaning. The DEETBOT X12 features a bagless version with a dust canister. The dust canister features a quick clean scraper ring, which allows you to scrape all of the dirt, debris, and hair off from the main filter on the inside and dump it all directly into the trash. So you can dump the dirt into the trash can and you can dump the muddy water down the drain. There's actually very minimal amount of dirt in the muddy water. Most of it ends up in the dry bin. But if you prefer having a bagged version, they also have the X12 Pro Omni, which features the traditional bagged version. The Cyclone Station also features two different types of cleaning solutions, a normal everyday solution and a heavy duty solution for those extra stubborn spots. The DEETBOT X12 also showcases their unique Power Boost fast charging technology, which allows the robot to quickly recharge during the cleaning process, reducing downtime and allowing the robot to clean more continuously, which is especially useful for larger homes or more complicated cleaning tasks.
Now, if you're a tech person and you love playing around with all the latest and greatest gadgets and the highlight of your day is trying to figure out new tricks you can get it to do, well, then the DEETBOT X12 is right up your alley because their intuitive user interface is vastly arrayed with many different features that are just waiting for you to play around with. But even if you're not a tech type of person, you can launch this robot straight out of the gate with all of the default settings and it will do an amazing job cleaning your floors without having to worry about anything. The robot mops your house, the robot cleans your house. All you have to do is click start. Overall, the DEETBOT X12 is a solid choice for maintaining and cleaning your floors, both vacuuming and mopping. Would I recommend it? I definitely would, and it's one of those things that I like to use at least twice a week to keep my floors sparkling clean because my floors have never been cleaner. Really. Check it out in the video description down below and let me know what kind of flooring you have in your house.
The DEETBOT X12 takes a load off your list of things to do and allows you to finally get back to those things that you've been wanting to do and putting off. Unless you're like me and you have yet 100 other things to do and it's back to work. Check out the DEETBOT X12 along with all of the other robot vacuums that Ecovacs makes. In the video description down below, you'll find several links and discount codes.